I'm Ryan, and I'm a director of residential life, and I brought in Dr. York to do 2 workshops with our student life department. The first workshop focused on marketing to Gen Z, and the second workshop was an ideation session that focused on execution training. These sessions, they were amazing. The team left feeling super energized, and they left with a list of action points to help make our department better. If your college department is looking at moving the needle and creating high performance from your team, I would highly recommend Dr. York.
What's up, everyone? My name is Dr. Ashley Storman. My pronouns are she and her, and I serve as a director for the Office of Diversity and Inclusion at Maryville University. We had Dr. York come and talk to our team about engagement and how we market to our Gen Z students. Coming out of the pandemic, there was a great opportunity for us to come together and to engage. And out of that session, Dr. York was able to help us really find some themes that will allow us as directors to be able to engage, to reboost, and get our team ready for this fall semester and making sure that we're engaging our students to the best of our ability. Thank you, Dr. York.